Right, everyone, as you've probably seen from the title of this video, we're going to take this Ford Focus RS on Gran Turismo 7 and turn it into an absolute machine. I'm talking the fastest little hot hatch in the game. So let's get into it. The first thing that I've seen on here, and the reason why I chose to do it with this particular vehicle, is we have a V8 that we can stick in it, which is going to take it, as you can see there, it's going to take it from 350 horsepower up to 590 brake horsepower. That's going to be incredible. Let's chuck that in there, get that on the car. So the next thing, so now we've got the 590 brake horsepower, is let's take it to the tuning shop. And let's put some mods on it. Let's see what we can put on there. So we can still drop the weight. So we're definitely going to be doing a bit of that. Nothing really we can do to the engine yet on there, but we can carry on dropping the weight. We can put a different supercharger on there, but I'm going to go for the high-end torque on, which on the next page we can still drop some more weight. So we're down to 1,200 kilos now. Let's get the agility of the car up on there. And here is the supercharger that I was on about. So this is going to take up to 789 brake horsepower. This is going to be a monster. Let's get some. We're definitely going to need improved brake pads. Customize the suspension, racing clutch and flywheel. We're definitely going to want some of that on there as well. Fully customizable transmission. Going to need some racing soft tyres on there because we got to try and keep it on the road somehow. We won't bother with the nitrous because I don't think we're going to need that on there. Any ultimate upgrades, we can put a carbon prop on it, so we'll chuck that on there as well. But that looks like that is our lot. So what are we at? We're at 789 brake, 1,219 kilos of weight on there, max torque of 94.9. Oh, that's high on there. Yeah, the power to weight ratio is decent on there as well. So it's a 5.4 litre V8 in a Ford Focus RS. This thing's gonna fly. Let's now go and make it look the part. You know, you can't have a hot little hatch. Well, definitely chuck a wide body kit on it. Let's get that on there. And then the other bits I think we're going to want to put on there is bodywork wise, make it look the part. So wheels are okay at the moment. Yeah, we'll leave the standard wheels on there. We want custom parts, right? Definitely want a front splitter. Definitely want some sides on there. Big wing. Definitely gonna need the downforce. Let's get bonnet pins. Tow hooks on and a roll cage in there. Oh, we've already got the Type C, so we'll leave the Type C in there. Right. Let's go find a race. See what this thing is like. Right. I want to see what it's like in a drag race to start with. Four-wheel drive getting off the line well. Missing a couple of gear shifts there. I need to get used to the gear ratios on it. But it's quick. It can beat a Dodge Viper. That's what we want. Let's find a proper race now to put this in. See what it can do on the track. Right, we're going to make a little custom race here for the Focus RS. So we're here at Monza. We're going to do the full course with the chicanes. We're going to do just a little 3-lap test. 20 cars, starting grid, 20. We're going to do a grid start. Normal slipstream, so real slipstream. Mechanical damage can be off. We just want to see what this car's like. Tire wear off, everything like that off. Let's have a look. Right. We're going to go up against GR3 cars, see what this car can do. Right. Let's start the race. Let's see what we can do. Whoa, what this car flies off the line. That's up to 11th. Round the outside of there, and that's up to P5 into the braking zone. Yeah, have to take it very easy on the brakes, I think. Oh, wow. Wow. We get absolutely dive bombed by the Aston Martin. Then on the other side, we've got a Genesis cutting in front of us. That's going to spin out. We just... This is up against the AI. What a start. Up into P4. Early on the brakes, we just want to take it nice and steady, nice and steady. We've got straight line speed, but they've definitely got slightly better brakes than what we've got. Go on, get that power down. Focus. What a machine we've created here. Over the back of the Mazda now for P1. Look at that, just easing on past. They come back at us in the corners. And then once we get that power down... yeah, bye. Bye, Mazda. See you later. Yeah, this is a machine. We've created an absolute weapon. Just doesn't really have brakes, because we're braking at the 200-meter board there. But it gets stopped. It gets turned in. You've got to remember, we have got a lump of a V8 at the front, so... God, it turns in nicely, though. What, even its speed like that, 150 mile an hour. Oh, got very deep there. That's the only thing that I think you'd have to improve on this is just a bit of brakes. Bit of braking power. Apart from that, though, this straight line speed is incredible. As long as you brake early in it, though, it will fly. Like, we've pulled 4 seconds out on that Mazda in a lap. Ooh, get on the power a bit early there. Right, last lap of our little test race, and so far so good. A 142.6. Nice and early on the brakes. Slow it down. $160 miles an hour? Not bad. Nice and early on the brakes. Bit of a hop, skip and a jump over the curb there. Back on the power. Straight line speed is this car's natural habitat. Second up on our fastest lap. Well, as we come up towards the final corner here at Monza, try not to get on the power too early because it does like to drift out wide when it's under power. There's the checkered flag on a little 3-lap race and see what this car is like. P1? P1. Right, we are back here at the garage after that race. So, do we think we've created a monster on GT7? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Cheers for watching this video. Check out the ones that are appearing on screen right now, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.